everybody. My name's Amanda, and I'm kind of new here. You know, well, not really here. I've lived here a long time. But, okay, so here's what's going on. I haven't filmed in like a week. I don't want to film today. It's 61 degrees outside. If you are in the U.S., you know that's spring. Well, I have a puppy dog right here. His name is Wally. And my baby dog, he is looking at me going, Mom, I need to go out and play. And, you know, today, I want to go out and play. So I am. I'm going to take my puppy to the park and we're going to go on a hike, even though I put on a full face. Maybe, yeah, I love you too, little boy. Yeah, so we're going to go outside and play. We'll talk to you guys later. I'll be back on Thursday. You know, when we can shop in my stash. I kind of wish I had an echo thing, but I don't know how to do that yet. Yeah, all right. We'll talk to you later.